everyone, it's Tammy and I am on my way to work. So I am vlogging in the morning, which is good. I can't always do that, but it's kind of nice. I am enjoying the puppies so much. Oh my word. It is a lot of work. I'm not gonna lie. It's stressful sometimes. I'm not getting a ton of sleep. I am spending a ton of money, but oh my goodness, I love these two little puppies, and they bring such joy and laughter and happiness to our family. It's awesome. They are just hilarious, and every day I laugh out loud at them, and every day I feel more love, just because they are so cool and just amazing. So the puppies are fabulous. Thanks for everyone for asking about them, wondering how they're doing and stuff. That's so sweet. I will try to remember to post some video or pictures or something at the end of this. And I'm just probably going to vlog until I get to work, because I don't really have a ton that's what my life has been consumed of. Work and puppies and crafting. Seriously, but it's been great, and I'm not complaining at all. I'm just saying that I don't have a ton to talk about because I've been just doing that. Now, I have been able to have my coffee with Lisa. That's been fabulous. My son is still stressing me out, so I'm just hanging in there with him. My daughter is getting ready to go back to college. She only has a week after this one, so I guess 2 weeks left before she goes back to school, and she starts student teaching as soon as she gets there. So their school starts a little early. Well, hers doesn't, but the student teaching school does. So she has to go early and get started with that. It's crazy. So she moves into her apartment on Saturday, and she starts work on Monday. I'm calling it work because it is kind of work. It's not really, it's student teaching. She has the whole classroom. So she's pretty excited, and she's pretty nervous all at once, and I totally get it. But I know she's going to do a fabulous job. I'm so proud of her. There's that, and then Dennis is doing great. He's been working a lot. Not as much as he was when they were opening the pool, but probably it will be a lot when they are closing the pool again. And the last day of the pool being open, they make it a dog day, and they have all of the members of the pool can bring their dogs, and they can take a dump in a dump. No, they can't take a dump. Oh, no, please, not that. They can take a jump in the pool. Lordy, oh my goodness, and I'm going to my old work. I'm a dingbat. I'm glad I realized it now. So we are going to take the babes, all three of them, and let them take a jump in the pool. That will be so fun. And that's the beginning of September, I think. So we have a little ways still. The puppies start obedience training on August 3rd, so that'll be good. They're doing really well on potty training, and I say really well. I don't know what really well is exactly, but they are, for the most part, I would say 80% of the time they are going poops outside. They still have some accidents inside, and I would say it's even a little less, they have more accidents with their peeps inside than they do their poops. So I don't know. It's crazy how you can take them out, they can go to the bathroom, you can bring them in, and they have to pee again. It's crazy. I'm like, what in the world? You just went. So, I think that's just puppy, and we're getting there. It's just taking a little while, but they are doing really well at night now. They're holding it for, half the night, and then we take them out, and then they hold it for the other half, and then they are doing pretty well when I'm at work too, because I'm the first to leave, but I'm the first to get home. So when I get home, most of the time their crate is clean. We do leave a potty pad in there, and there is peeps on there usually, but for the most part, that's pretty clean. Now, if they have had a different accident, then that gets everywhere because they walk in it and stuff. So, but we're working on that and we're figuring it out. And I think everybody's getting used to everybody, and the adjustment is good. And I think that everyone they're figuring out their schedule and all of that. So that's pretty cool. I'm proud of them. They're doing a great job. And they are a joy, for real, a joy. And I am at work. So I will talk to you guys soon. I hope that you all have a wonderful day. And I love you. Bye-bye.